How much do electric cars depreciate? Unfortunately, even electric cars are susceptible to depreciation, with a typical loss in value of 15 to 35% in the first year, rising to 50% after 3 years of ownership. As always, the amount your car will lose through depreciation can vary, depending on, but not limited to, make, model, mileage, service history and condition. Why is electric car depreciation important? Depreciation can cause negative equity. Negative equity is where the value of your vehicle falls below the amount you still owe on finance, because the rate of loss is quicker than the rate of your repayments, or the amount it would cost for a replacement, like-for-like model. If your car is ever declared a write-off, or total loss as it's known in the car industry, then negative equity could cause significant problems, as your insurer will offer you a final settlement figure equal to the amount your car is worth at the time. If that's lower than the amount you owe, or the cost of a replacement vehicle, the difference falls to you. If you're concerned about this, which is often a worry for most motorists, particularly those driving financed cars, you should consider gap insurance, which pays out the difference so you're not out of pocket.